Hey, what is going on, guys? Cryptic360 here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can get Xbox 360 themes onto your Xbox 360. You are going to need this application called Horizon, and you will also need this right here. This is on the Internet Archive. You can get this whole thing. It's like 12 gigs of themes and a bunch of themes here, including some custom ones that you can download. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's pretty easy. And yeah, let's get right to it. So I have opened WinRAR. It's in WinRAR. You'll probably need WinRAR. And I'm just going to choose one as an example. I'm going to go for Beautiful Katamari. And let's look through these. So you can open these up and you can just look through at the pictures. So what you want to do is you want to click on one of them, whatever you want from here. You want to hit extract to, and then you're going to do OK. And so when you're done with that, you're going to want to open Horizon. You're going to go to the Tools tab, click on that. Then you're going to want to go to Theme Creator. Now what you can do is you can hit the Load Images from Theme, and then you can go to Downloads to the things you just extracted. Then you could double click the folder. Then you want to go to the file that has a bunch of random numbers and letters, and you want to click on that and then hit open. Then it'll do this. And another thing that'll be really cool that you can do is you can just load images from a different theme. And so you can kind of just make your own theme. And now you're going to be wondering, why do I have to do this? It's because these are kind of like, they have some sort of like key or something. So if you were to just to inject these files onto your Xbox, it won't work. They won't work. So I've loaded up my flash drive here. All right, so I have my thing set up here, and you can name it. I'm just going to name it Beautiful Katamari. And then what you want to do is you want to click Save to Device and USB Storage. A little pop-up will show up. And I'll click OK, and then you can just close out of this. So one thing I did forget to mention, when you have your flash drive, because you're going to need to use a flash drive. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to, so first, before you even do any of this, I probably should have stated this earlier, I'm sorry. You're going to want to go to your system settings, then you're going to go to storage, and then you want to go to your USB storage device, your flash drive, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to format it. Make sure you take everything off of it first, because I will delete everything, but you are going to have to format it to the Xbox 360 format, so this will work. So yet again, I also forgot to mention this. So how to actually format it, you need to hover over USB storage device, hit Y, and then there should be an option in there that says format. That's all. But once you've done that, what you're going to want to do after you've done that, and after you've put your themes, whether custom or whatever, onto your storage device, you want to click on this. You want to go to themes. So you go down to, again, you're going to want to go to USB storage device, click on it, go down to themes, and then you should see it right here. Then you're going to want to do move. And you want to click on your hard drive, and it should be pretty quick because the files are not very big. And then you can come out of this, and you want to go, obviously, to your profile. You want to go over to change theme, and then it should be right here. Boom. You have now got your own theme. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that easy little tutorial. If you liked it, let me know in the comments down below if it helped. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. But yeah, if you're new, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.